Hi everyone, in today's easy tutorial I'm going to show you how to unpublish your website on Wix. Welcome to the channel, let's dive into it. So on your wix.com dashboard, select Site and App from the left side menu and click on Website. And here you will see your web page. So I have this one. To unpublish it, I just simply click on this website settings, and then I'm going to simply click on this unpublish button, and here let's select unpublish, and let's go back. And as you can see, our web page is now not published, and that's basically how to unpublish your website on Wix. If you found this video helpful, tap the like and subscribe buttons to help others to find this video as well. Thank you for watching.